Assalamualaikum. Good evening. I'd like to say our official and here, honorable guest, thank you so much. And also I'd like to say thank you so much, Mr. Sabir Ahmed Khan and his team, Muhammad Azhar Khan, Asif Jahangir, Khalid Mughal Sahab. They did very much. We need this kind of gathering, and also they registered this American Kashmiri American Alliance. It's a long time we are waiting here to do this kind of motion. So I just like to know, like I say, Kashmir is a beautiful country. Let me explain about Kashmir. We have almost 20 million population. Unfortunately, we are divided in a 4 division. The entire base economy are being committed in the so-called largest democracy in India. It is a shame for India. And India, occupied 42,000 square miles, which one is the large area. And the second, China is occupied 11,000 land, our Kashmir land. Also, we have 4,000 square miles, which was called independent state Azad Kashmir. And we have also 28,000 miles, which was controlled by Pakistan. So it's a long time we are fighting, almost 74 years. We need our right to self-determination, which was UN resolution passed 5th January 1949. But then United Nations is they set up a commission, but until now the commission and Pakistan and India have failed to solve the Kashmir issue. I'd like to say also we need to work hard, and we need, just like Sir Minister Khan suggests, we need to work in a local politician in my city. And I also like to say thank you for everybody here. Thank you so much. And also I'd like to thank you, my big brother Manzoor Ahmed Khan. He always stand with the Kashmiri people. I bless him all. And I like to also say thank you to Mr. Muhammad Taj. He is our Kashmiri leader, and also my friend Tariq Adwan is here. He has so many people here. Also, I'd like to mention Azim Darsan. They have a long journey to find the freedom about Kashmir. So, thank you, Mr. Sahab. Many people there, I cannot call everybody here. Thank you so much for calling. Thank you.
This was Mr. Raja Muhammad Mukhtar, one of the Kashmiri leaders. He always stands shoulder to shoulder with us. Thank you very much. Now